Who should we have trying this one? Someone fun.
That rules me out.
I'm Niklas Ekstedt, chef and restaurateur from Stockholm, Sweden. I will be doing a Cep Soufflé. So it sounds like a savory, but it's a dessert. Okay, so a mushroom soufflé that's served as a dessert. Kind of easy, but complicated. So you need to be really aware and careful when you cook it in the wood oven. So the temperature is important, 200 Celsius. You can go up to 220, 180 is okay, but you need to focus on the temperature a lot. And then I'm gonna blend egg white that whisked with sugar. And then this, it's a mushroom custard. So it's dried mushrooms that are blended, mixed with milk and eggs, and then bring that to 80 Celsius on the stove. So the recipe is on Gozney.com. The egg white need to be gentle here. Soufflés are, of course, this thing to do, but it's so much reward when you get it right. Start off with a tiny bit of egg white into the mushroom custard, a little bit at a time, not too much. Fold it, don't whisk it, be gentle, and add a little bit of egg white at a time. I was always the most useless pastry chef. I remember when I worked in restaurants and I was circulating and going to different parts of the kitchen, and someone put me in the pastry. I was just there for maybe 2 to 3 days, then they put me back on the stove again. Usually it's the pastry chef in my restaurant that makes this. Makes me extra nervous now to do this. I know that she will be watching and like, what is he doing? When doing these, it's really important that you coat the sugar really carefully on all the sides, so you get it well coated with sugar everywhere, because if you miss a spot, it's not going to rise. And then pour into the bowl, slightly too much, and then scrape, clean thumb, and twist. And then make sure that you put the soufflé in the wood oven where it's 200 Celsius. So use your laser thermometer. I got 200 there, so perfect. So when cooking soufflés like this with mushrooms or any savory into it, they'll take a little longer than the sweet ones. So this will be like 10 to 15 minutes. So you need to be watching it, and when you see it rising up beautifully on top, you're on the right direction. And then when you look in the middle of it, and you can shake it a little bit, if it's still in the middle, it's almost done. This is just such a nice surprise if you do this for a dinner party, because you serve this as a dessert, and then people will start eating it and they'll like slowly recognize the mushroom flavor. And that's kind of like the star of this. And then in Sweden, my most favorite berry are these cloudberry. So these are so delicious. They have this tropical, almost like passion fruit flavor to it. If you can't get cloudberries, you can use blueberry jam or blackberry jam for this as well. Puncture the soufflé in the middle. Add the berries and a little bit of cream.
Look at that.
So there's the mushroom soufflé with cloudberries and cream, flowers and pine oil. So for this recipe, go to Gozney.com. Arthur, come on in. Soufflé is for you. Have you had a mushroom soufflé before?
Never.
Never?
First time.
Give it a go. Start with the edge. Get a little bit of cloudberries on the spoon, cream. There you go. There we go. So it's a sweet mushroom soufflé.
It's delicious.
Yeah.